Hello friends and welcome back to Quiz Factory. In today's video, we will guess the Netflix show by the emojis. We've prepared 30 questions and you have 10 seconds to answer. For each correct answer, you will get 1 point. If you're ready, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. Can you guess the name of this show? Exactly, that's Lucifer. What is the name of this Netflix show? So good, it's The Walking Dead. Next question. It's Squid Game. In Squid Game, how many rounds must a player pass to win? Is it A, 4 rounds, B, 5 rounds, or C, 6 rounds? The correct answer is C. The winner of the 6 rounds received a reward of 45.6 billion won, while the losers paid with their lives. Can you guess the name of this show? It's Stranger Things. This is an American historical fiction romantic online drama. Awesome! It's Bridgerton. Guess the Netflix show. Great job! The answer is Sex Education. Can you guess the Netflix show by Emoji? That's right, it's Wednesday. Question 9. Since when was Wednesday premiered on Netflix? That show premiered on November 16, 2022 and debuted on Netflix a week later on November 23rd. What show are these emojis about? Cobra Kai. Next question. It's Love, Death and Robots. It's a French horror mystery series that premiered on Netflix in 2021. You're so good! That's Lupin. What is the name of this show? That's right, it's Peaky Blinders. Question 14. The answer is Emily in Paris. The next question. Manifest. Can you guess the name of this show? Excellent! That show is Money Heist. Question 17. In this show, what are the characters named after? The correct answer is A. For example, the heroine's name is Tokyo. This American TV series is based on Archie Comics characters. Awesome! It's Riverdale. What is the name of this Netflix show? Great job! It's The Witcher. Guess the name of this show. You guessed it! That's House of Cards. Can you recognize this Netflix show? That's right, that is The Crown. Guess the name of this show. That's The Queen's Gambit. Question 23. Where did she live when she was a child? The correct answer is C. The orphanage is where she lived as a child. What show are these emojis about? The answer is Breaking Bad. Next question. So good! That's Mindhunter. What is the name of this show? Great job! It's BoJack Horseman. What about this show? It's The Good Doctor. Question 28. That is The Umbrella Academy. Question 29. It's Teen Wolf. Can you guess the Netflix show by Emoji? Which Netflix show do you think it is? Please comment below to let us know. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Quiz Factory for more fun quizzes like this one. And I'll see you in the next video.